We talk about job losses all the time in this revolution because of AI and other means.
40% of all jobs around the world will be impacted by AI.
Artificial intelligence could leave everyone unemployed.
There is no real data how many jobs were lost or gained in any of the three revolutions. All we know was, in the end, the country's GDP went up, GDP per capita went up, and overall, after a few decades, that particular country like UK, US, Germany, which was following these revolutions quite closely, they actually did quite well. But during that period, for example, the first and second revolution, the poor youth were all flogging to London. But countries, on the other hand, which followed these revolutions closely, actually had their GDP grown very significantly, whereas those which did not went down. For example, China and India, they did not participate in any of these three revolutions. And their GDP percentage contribution went down to 8%. In this particular revolution, or until 2050, it's not only that we have to look at jobs being lost because of AI and data science, but there is a very interesting phenomenon that is happening. There is a lot of discussion now going on in the medical community. So we had about 8 billion people worldwide. The original feeling was that by 2050, it will be 10 billion people. Now, all the major countries will have declining population. 55 countries in the world would have declining population. How does the population decline? There's something called the total fertility rate, which is the number of kids a woman will have through her lifetime. If it goes below 2.1, at some point, the total population will begin to decline. Even for India, the total fertility rate went below 2.1 1.5 years ago. Bangladesh is sitting at 2.1. Saudi Arabia's total fertility rate was 6. A typical woman had 6 children. It's right now at 2.3. So bottom line, we will not have enough people. In India, it will have an aging population by 2050. It will not decline, but it will have an aging population. Who will take care of them? We better have AI and robots to take care of them.